Hey, I'm Dr. Ariana Demers. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon, and I have successfully integrated orthobiologics into my busy practice so that I can provide a continuum of care and treat patients who are in the gap. The gap is this gray area in orthopedics where standard conservative treatments have not been effective, but surgery may not be warranted. And we usually tell our patients, come back when it's worse. What? These are your patients coming to you for help. Orthobiologics is that solution that can fill the gap and help you treat your patients who are in your office looking to you for help. Orthobiologics can also be an excellent treatment for frustrating problems without good surgical outcomes. This podcast will help you create the orthobiologics business that will make you love your job again. We will focus on the value of orthobiologics, patient selection, how to talk to your patients about money, office setup, and other logistics. If this is something you've always wanted but don't know where to start, join me in the Business of Orthobiologics podcast. Hi, welcome to Digital Management. Here's what we'll cover: digital needs for cash practice and digital documents needed for your cash practice. So the digital needs for a cash practice include online presence, digital office management, phones and fax, a customer relations manager or CRM, a password manager, and Square or Stripe to take money. So for your online presence, you're going to need a domain, a logo, and a website. So to get a domain, once you've decided on your name, the next step is to purchase the website domain. Well, there are a host of options out there. Many of them offer very similar services in terms of quality and cost. You can go to Google Domains, GoDaddy, Enom. There are a number of them. Once you own your web domain, you can then change your email to reflect the domain name for a more professional look, like doctor@yourclinicname.com. And then you can also have your nurse or your assistant. Next, you need to create a logo. You can use existing digital assets to modify. You can use a graphic designer, or you can use an AI service or Canva. I recommend getting a Canva account. It's been really helpful for me. It's canva.com. No, I don't get any money from it, but I really like it to create flyers, create handouts, and just use your digital assets appropriately. Now, there are several AI-powered logo design services that are available that can help you create a logo quickly and easily. These services use machine learning algorithms to generate a variety of logo options based on your input and preferences. And some popular AI-powered logo designs include LogoJoy, Looka, Wix Logo Maker, Taylor Brands, and Designhill. So for example, I made a logo for my consulting business done on Looka.com, and no, I don't get any money from that either. It took me about 30 minutes, all said and done, to search my domain, decide on a name for my company, and then create the logo. It's not bad for the cost. I downloaded my final product for about $30, which is doable, especially with a startup company. Next, your website. You can either hire out a website designer versus do it yourself. If you have a limited budget, basic website needs, and some technical skills, creating a website yourself may be feasible. However, if you have more complex website needs, limited technical skills, or you have a larger budget, or you have your own website already, hiring a professional website designer may be a better option. If you're going to do it yourself, you can look on squarespace.com, wix.com, or godaddy.com for the website builder. Next, digital office management. You're going to need electronic health record, practice management software, telemedicine platform, secure messaging, and online payment and billing systems, as well as your website and social media presence. So let's talk a little bit about your electronic health record. This is a system that is essential for keeping track of patient records, including medical history, test results, treatment plans. It should be HIPAA compliant and easy to use for all staff members. The best EMR vendors for a startup company will depend on your specific needs and budget. A couple of EMR vendors that offer a good value for a startup medical practice include Practice Fusion, Cario, Advanced MD, Athena Health, which I used to have, but it was a little bit pricey and really good for population management, but maybe not so much for biologic management. NextGen Healthcare, Yes, you can use G Suite. And then I use Dr. Chrono, which is for the money, reasonable, and has all of the items that you need within an electronic health record. It also allows you to do some other things. Next, you'll need some practice management software. This can help with scheduling appointments, billing, and managing finances. This software can also help you with inventory management, ordering medical supplies, and managing staff schedules. Next, we'll talk about a telemedicine platform. This platform allows you to have virtual patient appointments, and this can be particularly useful for a startup company that has limited services. So you can have consultations via Zoom or Google Meet or Teams or within your secure EMR. So just make sure that you do have a telehealth platform opportunity. 5 years ago, this was quite new. Now we're all very facile thanks to the pandemic with all of the telehealth platforms. Next, you are going to need a secure communication, such as a HIPAA-compliant email, encrypted messaging, virtual private networks. These all can help with protecting patient information and ensuring secure communication between staff members. The G Suite platform is one that you can use with HIPAA-compliant emails within the platform. You can use it within the electronic health record. You can also use WhatsApp, which is an application-based platform with end-to-end encryption. Next, you'll need a reliable online payment and billing system. This can streamline the payment process for the patients and the staff, reduce risk of billing errors. Now, if you're only cash, make sure that you understand that you do not need to bill insurances, so your digital needs for this might be quite limited. Stripe, which is an online option, allows for invoicing and recurring charges, and depending on your clinic structure, you can either use your existing billing platform or you can use a different billing platform. This can be quite minimal. If you don't need to do anything but bill the patient, you will need a way to generate a receipt or an invoice for your patients, as they may want to use it with their flexible health spending account or a health savings account, and they may be able to get reimbursed either through other opportunities such as a Medishare plan. Next, you will want a well-designed website, but also an active social media presence, which can help promote the practice and attract new patients. This is LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, other social media platforms that can help get the word out as to what you are providing and what services and information and hours and such for the staff members of your new cash practice. Next, let's talk about phones. So RingCentral. RingCentral is a cloud-based phone system that offers a range of features, including call routing, virtual voicemail, video conferencing, team messaging. It is a popular choice and is one that we use currently for all sizes and industries. Grasshopper is a cloud-based phone system designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It has features like call forwarding, voicemail, custom greetings, and can be used on a range of different devices. Nextivia is a cloud-based phone system that offers a range of features, including call forwarding, voicemail, video conferencing, and team messaging. And it is popular for businesses that need a reliable and scalable phone system. There's an 8x8 cloud-based system that offers call routing, virtual voicemail, video conferencing, and team messaging. And this is popular for flexible needs. Vonage is a cloud-based system that offers a range of features like call routing, virtual voicemail, video conferencing, and team messaging, and it is quite affordable. Please note, these are all very similar, so just compare the ones that you need. The thing that my team really likes about RingCentral is that it does record your conversations with your patients, so you can go back and decide, did we say that? Did we tell them? Who called? When they left a message? What did they say? What message did we leave? And what did we say? So if there's any questions, you can search by phone number, which is super helpful. If you don't understand or don't know who's been leaving a message, this is quite helpful. Next, faxes. Yes, we are still doing this. Why are we stuck in 1982? It is unclear. So a couple of helpful things. These can either be e-faxed through your electronic health record, so please check into that. Additionally, you can use eFax, which is a cloud-based service that you can receive and send faxes with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. and you can get electronic signatures, large file sharing, and international faxing. MyFax is cloud-based from a computer or smartphone. HelloFax is similar, and you can do integration with popular cloud storage services. And then RingCentral Fax is that cloud-based fax service that is in addition to the RingCentral phone system. MetroFax is a cloud-based system that allows you to receive and send faxes with your computer or smartphone, and additionally has electronic signatures, large file sharing, and international faxing. Next, your Customer Relations Manager, or CRM, can help your business streamline your sales, marketing, and customer service by providing a centralized database for customer information and history. A lot of popular ones. Salesforce is more complex than other CRMs, and it's a user-friendly interface. HubSpot is a free, user-friendly CRM. You can use Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Zoho, a CRM, which is user-friendly. Pipeline is a virtual sales pipeline. Insightly offers a free plan, which has basic features such as contact management, project management, and mobile application access. It also has paid plans for more advanced features like sales automation and reporting. And there's a really simple systems, which is free with the basic features such as contacts and lead management, as well as task management and email integration. We have Agile CRM, which is a free plan. You can also have paid plans that do more advanced features like marketing automation and social media integration. Next, password managers. Please do this as you get started so you can remember all your passwords and delegate or outsource while still remaining secure. The two that are quite popular are OnePass or LastPass. Please just set this up when you start so that you don't have to go back and remember all of the passwords that you're using. Next is your payment system. This is the actual taking of the money or the credit card. You can use Square, which is used more at a point of care with the actual terminal that you can then plug your credit card into. Stripe is an online option that you can send virtual bills and invoices and such. And then there's point of service care, or point of service, which is called POS. Terrible name for it. Point of service has different companies that create point of service. They're usually used for small businesses. Let's talk a little bit about digital documents that you will need and we can help to create. Obviously, you'll need an intake questionnaire. This is the standard medical questions, and then you can customize it for a little bit more clarity on your orthobiologics options and questions. You will need an ABN for Medicare, which is an Advanced Beneficiary Notice. Anyone who is of Medicare age or is receiving Medicare that is coming to see you for non-covered benefits will need to sign an ABN, which just tells us and tells the government that and tells the patient that they understand this is non-covered, this is not a covered procedure or process or benefit, and that they promise not to try to recoup their funds from Medicare. I give everybody an ABN to sign so that it's very clear this is an uncovered benefit and they are not to bill their insurances. We also provide infographics like what is orthobiologics, how to prepare for their treatments, what to expect, and then an injection consent. So, in conclusion, digital management should help leverage technology, embrace technology, and change so you can love your life. Now that's one small step for man or woman and a giant leap for mankind, said by Neil Armstrong. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you again. This has been the Business of Orthobiologics podcast. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you want to know more, please join us on the website prp-now.com and click on the free masterclass. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast to get more guidance on integrating PRP in your busy practice. Bye for now.